Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. If this is, of course, the first video you're checking out on our channel, please do have a look at some of the others, particularly styling, hydro dipping, everything. Loads of stuff on the channel. Check out a few bits and pieces on there and see what you think. We do also have another Toyota Yaris GR-Four, which we fitted or supplied and fitted the laser light bar to the front. So check that out on the channel as well. Of course, that brings us very nicely to what you're checking out the video today for. And this is, of course, for another Toyota GR-Four. Fantastic little car, this, the Yaris. This is in the red, this one. So, yeah, please do stay tuned for this one. We are going to be fitting the Maxton body styling kit. So we've got a front lower splitter, we've got some canards to go on the front bumper as well, which we're prepping and painting. We've got the side skirt sections, and then a rear diffuser and a rear boot spoiler as well. So stay tuned for this. We're going to go right through the process fitting them and see what you think at the end. It add a nice little extra little touch to this one. They're quite cool anyway with their styling, but this will add a nice extra little touch as well. Of course, do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this, and we'll be happy to have a chat, see what we can do to help, and of course provide you with a quotation. But for now, well, of course, don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the old channel as well, and then you can stay fully up to date with all the different bits and pieces we're doing. But what we're going to do for now, we are going to get this into the workshop, normal thing, and start test fitting the bits and then getting everything onto the vehicle. So we're going to roll the old intros and get cracking with it. Here we go. Right, now we've got the Yaris into the workshop, so we're just going to give you a little view of the parts we are fitting. Paul is just about to start test fitting the parts, so we'll show you all the bits. So we'll start over here. So we've got the seal trims, so this is one of them. Paul's already got the other one down beside the car ready to test fit it. It's just down there. Looks nice in the red. The Yaris looks rather smart. Then we've got the other bits all down here at the moment. So we've got the front section, which is just sitting here. We've got the rear diffuser, which is just there. We've got the rear roof spoiler, just down there as well. And then we've got some little side sections just to go on, we think, on the rear bumper as well, just in the corners. So we've got them as well. The canards, the little canards, Frazois is just prepping them because they're actually 3D printed, so they are going to need some final prep and then some primer done to them, and then of course they'll be painted in the gloss black, ready to match in with all the other parts. So yeah, we'll crack on with this and start to test fit the bits. Here she is. Right, so we're just getting the side skirts on first of all. The guys have already, as you can see, it's been prepped and then primered along the edge, all the way along. And then I think you've got the bond onto the bottom of the car, Paul?
Yeah, that's already on there, yeah, underneath.
Fantastic. Ta-da. And we do use a Terrason, which is a very good high quality bonding agent. So guys are just going to line this up. And there's some screws as well, I think, in the mate.
Yeah, it's 10 screws each side.
Yeah.
You can never be too protected.
That's very, thank you, Rob, that's very true. Rob likes to be protected, doesn't he, mate?
Lots of protection.
There we go, so just going to line that all up. In fact, they've already done the other side, so we'll have a little wander round to the other side, to the dark side. Look at that, look. That is looking really smart, and lined it up perfectly with the lines of the car, as you can probably see. All the way along, so it starts right in on the front, runs along the body line, and then like I say, this side's already bonded and screwed on, so we'll leave them to carry on with that. There we go, look at that lovely jubbly. And then it'll be on to the other bits. Right, and now it's time to get the rear spoiler, the roof spoiler on. The guys have got that all ready.
Different this one, isn't it?
So you can see they've marked it ready to line it all up so that it fits nicely onto the vehicle.
Yeah. Got touchdown.
And then we've got
It's all right there, isn't it? Yeah.
double-sided tape and some bond, I think, Paul,
Yes,
have we?
that's right, yeah, and a bit of heat.
Bit of heat. Get it all on there lovely. Right, now time to get that front splitter on. There we go. Guys have already pre-drilled it all, or lined it all up, pre-drilled it. So we've already done the test fitting on it. And now they're just going to have a little lie down.
Put all the nuts on it, Rob.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
Make it hard work.
Paul's lent on Rob's nuts. There we go.
You're not going to put that on YouTube, man.
I wouldn't do that, mate.
No.
Something you.
Right, so now we're getting the screws. Have we had to bond this on? I don't think we have we?
No, we're not going to do the front one.
No, it doesn't need bonding on because there's plenty of
It's got
fixings.
a lot of screws.
Superb. Hold that in nicely. Right, so Rob's just got the primer on, haven't we, Rob?
Yeah.
Or prepped it up and got the primer on. And again, just about to see that all on there. And the tapes to line up where it goes. So Rob's got a lovely job there. Lovely job, Rob. Well done, mate. Right, and then Paul has now got the bonding agent onto the rear diffuser. We've got plenty of it on there because they're not officially held on with any screws, are they, Paul?
No, there is some screws on the bottom.
Oh, sorry, there is, right, some screws on the bottom.
Yeah, 90% of it is stuck.
Yeah, it's just held on with the bonding agent.
Yeah.
So as you can see, plenty of it on there. And then along with the primer that Rob's done, that shouldn't go anywhere. Even at 70 mile an hour, the legal speed limit. Right guys, so we are now officially a Maxton Design dealer, so do check us out on our website at Black Stag Styling, or of course give us a shout if there is anything you'd like to discuss about possibly adding some extra styling to your car. As you can see on the little Toyota, it's looking pretty awesome with the styling we're getting done on this. Check out some of the other videos on the channel of course as well, but do give us a shout if you've got any vehicle and you fancy adding some extra styling, particularly at the moment, particularly on the electric or hybrid vehicles. See if we can add some extra style. Thanks very much. Hi guys, and thank you for checking out another one of our videos here at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. Hopefully you've enjoyed this one. We have loved working on another one of the Toyota Yaris GR-Fours. As you'll know, we had a white one in a few months ago and supplied and fitted the laser light bar to the front just behind the bumper on the front grille. So do check that out on our channel if you haven't already. But on this occasion we had this one in, a lovely red one, almost like a candy red, fantastic colour with the gloss black parts of course. It looks really smart. So we have supplied and fitted the front gloss black lower splitter to the front bumper, adding a nice bit of extra styling, making the front look more aggressive. We've then prepped and painted the side canards to go on the front bumper. These were like a 3D cut part, so they needed final prep and then doing in the gloss black. So we've done them, we've then fitted them of course to the front bumper as well, just like I say, making that front look much more aggressive. Does look really cool. Moving down the sides of the vehicle, we've then fitted the gloss black sill trims, again just making the side of the vehicle look more aggressive as well. Then moving to the back of the car, we have fitted the gloss black diffuser to the rear bumper, so that's been all fitted and bonded, again with all the other parts screwed and bonded onto the vehicle. And then of course the roof spoiler. It's already got like a little spoiler on it, but this adds just a nice little touch to the top of that spoiler. So all these parts have been fitted and bonded on as required. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. Don't forget, do check out some of the other videos on the channel as well. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on the old notifications. That way you can stay fully up to date with everything we're doing, as we've got some really cool styling and repair stuff coming up on some other vehicles. Then of course we will give you a final look around the vehicle. We'll do that in a second. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and we'll catch you again soon for another video. Take care.